everyone. This is practice formative of chapter 4, question number 28. So we have a team of 4 members that need to be selected from 4 men and 6 women. So the pool of our choice, okay, is 4 men and 6 women. And out of this, we got to choose 4 members, okay? So when there's no conditions are imposed, so generally we have 10, we just pick any 4. So 10C4, 10C4. 210 ways to make our selection. And next, part B, the team consists of 1 man and 3 women. Therefore, we got to choose 1 from the men. So 4 men, we choose 1, and followed by 6 women, we choose 3. Okay, so let's get the answer from the calculators. 4C1 times with 6C3. So the answer is 80 ways. We have 80 ways to make our selection. Next, the number of men in a team is at least 2 people. At least 2 people means we have either 2 men, 2 women, or 3 men, 1 woman. Okay, at least 2 people, yeah? That means or 4 men, 0 women. Okay, let's find the answer. 4C2 followed by 6C2 plus 4C3 followed by 6C1 followed by 4C4. That's it. We don't choose anyone from the woman because it say the number of men in the team is at least 2, so it can go up to 4. So let's get the answer from the calculator. So we have 4C2 followed by 6C2. So 90 ways here plus 4C3 times with 6C1. 24 ways. Okay, next we have 4C4. 4C4 is actually 1. So let's add all these 3 numbers together. So we have 115 ways to make our selection. Okay, that's it for question number 28.